Peter Bogdanovich, the Oscar-nominated director and screenwriter of The Last Picture Show and Paper Moon, has died. He was 82. He died Thursday at his home in Los Angeles of natural causes, Creative Artists Agency confirmed to USA Today. With a career in Hollywood spanning more than 50 years, Bogdanovich is best known for directing a beloved run of comedies and dramas in the late 60s and 70s, including 1972 screwball hit What's Up, Doc?, starring Barbra Streisand, Ryan O'Neal and Madeline Kahn. He reunited with O'Neal the following year on Depression-era road movie Paper Moon, featuring the actor's daughter, Tatum O'Neal, who at age 10 won the Best Supporting Actress Oscar for her performance. To date, she's still the youngest person in history to win a competitive Academy Award. "Peter was my heaven and earth. A father figure. A friend," the actress wrote on Instagram as news broke of his death. "From Paper Moon to Nickelodeon, he always made me feel safe. I love you, Peter." In addition to directing, Bogdanovich had a prolific career as an author, film historian, journalist and actor. Fans of HBO's The Sopranos will remember his recurring role in the early 2000s as the concerned Dr. Elliot Kupferberg, therapist to Tony Soprano's psychiatrist Dr. Melfi, Lorraine Bracco. More recently, he made a meta cameo in the 2019 horror film It, Chapter 2, playing a film director. Bogdanovich can sit down for 3 hours and talk about Orson Welles and Alfred Hitchcock. Andy Muschietti, the sequel's director, told USA Today at the time. After Bogdanovich's death, Sybil Shepherd, who had her first film role in The Last Picture Show, described him as her first acting teacher, a blessing of enormous proportion. "There are simply no words to express my feelings over this deepest of losses," she told Deadline in a statement. "May Peter live long in all our memories. Peter always made me laugh." Streisand tweeted, sharing photos of herself with the director on the What's Up, Doc? set. "He'll keep making them laugh up there too." Cher, who starred in His Mass, hailed him for making memorable films and discovering amazingly talented artists. "He was a dear friend and a champion of cinema," Nightmare Alley director Guillermo del Toro wrote in tribute on Twitter.